Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing an Ergotron HX desk monitor arm. Alright, so here's the box that it arrived in. I already made the initial cuts and took off the waybill information, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so when you open it up, you've got this welcome card. We've got an instruction booklet, and then we've got, what do we got here? We've got some screws, a little Allen tool. These are hex screws, thumb screws, different screws. These are all labeled. And then, oh wow, we got some more screws here, some more screws, and some brackets, I guess. So I'll put this all to the side for now. Okay, so opening this up. All right, cool. So these are all the individual parts for the monitor arm. So this is the arm itself. This is a bracket, I think, for the monitor will attach to. This is the bracket that will attach to the desk. It's nice and heavy. And these are, again, some more large bolts and plates. We got these here. Let's see. Oh, and then, And this is the second part of the arm. Okay, so that does it. That's the contents of the box. So at this point, I'll get rid of the box and then we'll look at the individual pieces. Okay, so the first thing that I did when I opened this box is I found this welcome card and this instruction manual. So here they are here. This manual will presumably show us everything that we need to know to put the arm together and use it. If you'd like a copy of this document, just let me know, I'll scan it and it'll be available if you need it. Okay, so this is the first bag that I found when I opened the box. It's got an Allen tool, screw here, thumb screw, different types of screws here. And of course the instruction manual is going to show us what to do with these screws and how they go and how we install them to put the monitor arm together. We also had some smaller bags of screws. This is a small bag, you can see it here with the various screws inside. This is another bag with some various screws inside. Another one with those. And fortunately, these bags are all labeled and the screws inside are labeled, so it's very clear when I'm looking in the instructions and I need to know what are the next screws that I need, it's going to tell me open up this section of this bag, and then I'll be able to do that so that I can put the arm together. Okay, so this is the first big piece that I found after I found the screws. Whew. So this is the main arm unit itself. I can see it's got these straps here, which I'll be able to use to tie down my monitor cables and my power cables so that I've got a nice clean finish when I'm installing my monitor onto the monitor arm. This is another piece that's going to go in there. This is going to be another part of the arm, probably the part that goes like this, and then it comes off from here, I'm guessing. And here's what this looked like again without the plastic bag. Like that. That's the bottom. There you go. That's what that unit looks like. Another large bracket that was in the bag is this one. So just take it out of the bag and take this cardboard off. So this is the unit that holds the monitor, you can see. This is another very large piece. This is the part that attaches to the desk itself. You can see it's got these. You can see that it's got these large clamps on it, these big screws, so that when I attach it to the desk like this, it's going to stay nice and tight and secure so that my monitors stay up and are nice and secure. This is another bag that was in the box. This bag's got a very large screw in it, a couple big brackets, and a wing nut. Again, I'm going to look at the manual and see what I need to do with each of these pieces. Okay, that concludes my unboxing of the Ergotron HS desk monitor arm. If you liked this video and found it to be useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also stay tuned for my video in which I show you how to assemble the arm and provide a review of its use. Thanks again for watching. I'm Sean Dillman.